Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel, where we explore innovative teaching strategies and tools to enhance learning. Today, we're diving into instructional software, what it is, the 6 main types, and how to evaluate and integrate it into your classroom. So, let's get started. First, let's define instructional software. Simply put, instructional software refers to computer programs or apps designed to deliver or support teaching and learning. From delivering content to engaging students with interactive tasks, this software can play a vital role in modern classrooms. There are 6 main types of instructional software, each serving a unique purpose in education. Let's break them down. Number 1. Drill and practice software. This type focuses on repetition and immediate feedback to reinforce skills. Think of apps for math drills or vocabulary flashcards. It's perfect for building foundational skills and preparing students for higher-level learning. Next, we have tutorial software. These are like digital instructors delivering full lessons on a topic. They're ideal for self-paced learning or reviewing difficult concepts. A great example? Khan Academy. Third, simulations. These programs create virtual environments where students can experiment and explore. From conducting virtual science experiments to simulating historical events, simulations make learning interactive and safe. Let's talk about games and gamification. Who doesn't love learning through games? This type of software combines education with game-like elements to keep students motivated and engaged. Fifth is problem-solving software, which challenges students to apply critical thinking and decision-making skills. These tools are great for subjects like math, coding, or even environmental science. And finally, adaptive learning systems. These use AI to tailor lessons to each student's unique needs, tracking their progress and providing targeted feedback. Examples include Lexia Core 5 and Edgenuity. Now that you know the types, how do you choose the best one? Here are 6 key criteria to evaluate instructional software. Content quality. Make sure it aligns with standards, is accurate, and culturally inclusive. Instructional model fit. Check if it supports your teaching approach, whether it's teacher-led or student-centered. Engagement. Does it actively involve students? Look for interactive and motivating features. Feedback and assessment. Ensure it provides timely, meaningful feedback and tracks progress. Usability and accessibility. It should be easy to navigate and accessible to all learners. Evidence of effectiveness. Research its impact on learning outcomes. Reliable reviews can help here. Finally, let's talk about integration. Here are a few strategies to seamlessly incorporate instructional software into your teaching. Use drill and practice or tutorials for skills reinforcement. Incorporate simulations and games for hands-on exploration. Blend software with traditional teaching for a balanced approach. Remember, the key is to align the software with your learning objectives and your students' needs. That's it for today's video. Instructional software offers endless possibilities to transform your classroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and insights. See you in the next video, and happy teaching.